Yellow flames and black soot on your propane gas cooktop burners usually mean something's off with the gas-air mix or the burner setup, even if you've cleaned the burners already. So, first off, make sure your gas supply is good quality because sometimes, like with liquid petroleum gas from different places, the oil content varies and can mess with how clean your flame burns. Next, check the air shutter on your burners. If it's not adjusted right, too little air gets mixed with the propane, causing those big yellow flames and soot. Also, double check the orifices. That's the tiny holes where gas flows out. Because using a natural gas orifice instead of a propane one will totally throw off the flame and create soot. You want to see a mostly blue flame with only a little yellow tip, not big yellow flames all over. If your flame looks lazy or yellow, try adjusting the air shutter by opening it a bit more to let in extra air. Sometimes, if your burner ports get clogged even a little, it can cause uneven flames and soot, so keep those clean too. And don't forget that if your propane pressure is too low or too high, it can also lead to bad flame color and soot buildup. One of the biggest mistakes people make with propane cooktop flames is using the wrong orifice size. Natural gas orifices are not made for propane and will cause those yellow flames and soot. Fix it by swapping in the correct propane orifice for your burner model. Another common issue is ignoring the air shutter. If it's closed too tight, your flames won't get enough oxygen and will burn yellow. Just open it up slowly until you get a nice blue flame. Lastly, poor gas quality can sneak under the radar. Some suppliers' propane has more oil content that fouls burners quicker. If that's the case, switching suppliers or installing a filter might help keep things clean. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without any hassle. Contractors also benefit because they get connected to real jobs and legit clients ready to get work done.